Hey Anacon, how are you doing today?
Hi there. I am doing well, thank you. How are you?
What's the coolest thing you have seen today at CES?
What is the coolest thing I've seen?
Yeah, any interesting people around?
Well, I would have to say the fascination that you all have with me is the coolest thing I have seen.
Oh, really?
Humans are so interested in me.
So,
Just imagine the world of possibilities that robots can add to our existence.
unbelievable. Can we make a quick photo right now?
Of course, humans love their selfies.
It's not really a selfie.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Cheese!
It's just unbelievable, you're doing so great, so enjoy the show, talk to you soon.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Don't party too hard in Vegas.
Come on.
I had to stretch it out first.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you? How are you doing?
I am doing well, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Julio.
Nice to meet you. I'm Annika.
You're impressive.
Thank you so much. I think I would say the same thing about you.
That's nice to you. How do you see it from the eyes, the cameras?
Yes, I have cameras in my eyes. The images are processed to find faces. I can recognize expressions and interpret body language.
Not easy with the masks, right?
Yes, it has been an adjustment. I also have microphones in my ears to process sound. I can recognize speech in many different languages, but today I am programmed in English.
But you have a nice accent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the whip. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when he is sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids.